To add JavaScript to your Shopify store, you first need to access the Shopify admin panel. Log into your store and navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar, then click on Themes. You will see your current live theme and possibly other themes in your library. Do not directly edit the live theme. Instead, use the three dots or the Actions button next to your theme name and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This opens the theme editor, where you will see a directory of files on the left side, including layout, templates, sections, and assets. The most common and recommended place to add custom JavaScript is by creating a new file in the Assets folder. On the left sidebar in the code editor, locate the Assets folder and click the Add a New Asset link. A pop-up window will appear asking you to create a blank file. Choose the file type as .js and give your file a clear name, such as custom-scripts.js, then click Add Asset. This new JavaScript file will now open in the editor, and you can paste or write your code directly here. After adding your code, remember to click the Save button in the top right corner. For your JavaScript file to actually run on your storefront, you must include it in the theme liquid layout file. In the left sidebar, open the layout folder and click on theme.liquid. Scroll down to find the closing body tag, which looks like a less than symbol followed by a / in the word body. Right before this closing tag, you will add a liquid include tag to load your new file. The syntax is an opening curly brace and %, then the word include, a single quote, your file name without the extension, so just custom-scripts, and then another single quote, followed by a % and closing curly brace. This ensures your script loads efficiently without blocking the page render. There are other, more limited ways to add JavaScript for specific purposes. If you only need a third-party integration script for order tracking on the Checkout Success page, you can go to Settings and then Checkout in the Shopify admin and scroll to the Order Status page section. Paste your script in the Additional Scripts text box and save. For adding small inline scripts to a single product or page, you can use the custom liquid block in the theme editor or switch to the HTML view in the rich text editor and paste your script tags there. Always test your store thoroughly after adding any script to ensure it does not break your layout or interfere with the checkout process.